How to redeem or Twitch gift card. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to redeem or Twitch gift card. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch any web browser on your device and you need to click on the search bar at top of your screen. Now type in twitch.tv/redeem and hit enter on your keyboard. Now you'll reach on this redeem your Twitch code page where you simply need to log into your Twitch account if you haven't already. Now, on this section, you simply need to enter your gift card code in the provided box. And then you need to double check the code and then click on the redeem button. Then your balance will be added instantly. And with this, your Twitch gift card will be redeemed. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.